You don't have weak wrists. You have untrained wrists. And the moment your body goes under pressure, they fail first. Push-ups feel unstable. Planks start shaking, and suddenly your strength disappears. Not because you're weak, but because your wrists can't control it. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful wrist exercises. Not random, not complicated, but proven movements that build strength, control, and real stability. So your wrists don't just stop hurting. They actually support your strength.
Exercise 1. Finger press hold.
Start in a plank position. Arms locked, shoulders tight, body in a straight line. Now here's the key. Push your fingers into the ground. Not just your palm, your fingers. You'll feel something shift. The pressure moves from your wrist into your fingers. That's control. Your stabilizers are turning on. Hold this position for 20 to 30 seconds. If your fingers are weak, your wrists will always struggle.
Exercise 2. Forward wrist lean.
Now we build strength. Sit on your knees. Place your palms flat on the ground, fingers pointing forward. Slowly lean your body forward. Don't rush. Don't drop your weight. Move slowly. Feel the stretch. You should feel tension right through your wrist joint. Controlled. Hold for a few seconds, then come back. Repeat with control. This is where your wrists adapt.
Exercise 3. Reverse wrist stretch.
Now we train the side you ignore. Flip your hands, fingers pointing toward your knees. Slowly sit back. This position feels uncomfortable, and that's exactly why you need it. You're hitting the weak side, the neglected side. Stay controlled.
Exercise 4. Wrist push movement.
Now we move. Stay in the same position. Shift your weight forward, then back. Forward, back. Slow, controlled. No rushing, no collapsing. Your wrists are learning to handle movement, not just hold pressure. Exercise 5. Dead hang. Now we connect everything. Grab a bar. Hang. Sounds simple, but it's powerful. Your grip tightens. Your forearms activate. Your wrists stabilize. Don't just hang passively. Engage your grip. Squeeze the bar. Control your body. Hold as long as you can. This builds real-world wrist strength. Less shaking, more stability. So don't ignore your wrists, because the moment they fail, everything fails. Comment below which exercise burned the most.